Are you ready to practice riding your bike? Are you ready to practice riding your bike?
I'm scared. What if I fall down? I'm scared. What if I fall down?
Don't worry. I'll hold the bike for you. Don't worry. I'll hold the bike for you.
Will you promise not to let go? Will you promise not to let go?
I promise. I'll be right behind you. I promise. I'll be right behind you.
Okay, but go very slowly. Okay, but go very slowly.
Put your feet on the pedals, like this. Put your feet on the pedals, like this.
Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right?
Perfect. Now try to push the pedals. Perfect. Now try to push the pedals.
It's wobbly. I don't like it. It's wobbly. I don't like it.
That's normal. Everyone wobbles at first. That's normal. Everyone wobbles at first.
Did you wobble when you learned? Did you wobble when you learned?
Yes. I fell down many times. Yes. I fell down many times.
But you learned how to ride. But you learned how to ride.
Exactly. And now I love riding my bike. Exactly. And now I love riding my bike.
Will I love it too? Will I love it too?
I think you will. You're doing great. I think you will. You're doing great.
Can we try again tomorrow? Can we try again tomorrow?
Of course. Practice makes perfect. Of course. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for helping me, Mommy. Thanks for helping me, Mommy.
You're welcome. I'm proud of you for trying. You're welcome. I'm proud of you for trying.
I love you even when I'm scared. I love you even when I'm scared.
How are you feeling today, sweetheart? How are you feeling today, sweetheart?
My tummy hurts, Mommy. My tummy hurts, Mommy.
Oh no. When did it start hurting? Oh no. When did it start hurting?
This morning when I woke up. This morning when I woke up.
Let me feel your forehead. You feel warm. Let me feel your forehead. You feel warm.
Does that mean I'm sick? Does that mean I'm sick?
Yes, you have a little fever. Yes, you have a little fever.
Can I stay home from school? Can I stay home from school?
Of course. You need to rest today. Of course. You need to rest today.
Will I feel better soon? Will I feel better soon?
Yes. But you need to drink lots of water. Yes. But you need to drink lots of water.
I don't like water. It tastes boring. I don't like water. It tastes boring.
How about some warm soup instead? How about some warm soup instead?
Can I have chicken soup? Can I have chicken soup?
That's perfect for when you're sick. That's perfect for when you're sick.
Will you stay with me today? Will you stay with me today?
Yes. I'll take care of you all day. Yes. I'll take care of you all day.
Can we watch cartoons together? Can we watch cartoons together?
We can watch quietly while you rest. We can watch quietly while you rest.
You're the best mommy in the world. You're the best mommy in the world.
And you're my brave little boy. And you're my brave little boy.
I feel better already. I feel better already.
Today is your first day at your new school. Today is your first day at your new school.
I don't want to go, Mommy. I don't want to go, Mommy.
I know you're nervous, but it will be fun. I know you're nervous, but it will be fun.
What if the other kids don't like me? What if the other kids don't like me?
You're such a sweet boy. They'll love you. You're such a sweet boy. They'll love you.
But I don't know anyone there. But I don't know anyone there.
That's okay. You'll make new friends quickly. That's okay. You'll make new friends quickly.
What if I get lost in the big building? What if I get lost in the big building?
Your teacher will show you around. Your teacher will show you around.
Can you walk me to my classroom? Can you walk me to my classroom?
Of course. I'll stay until you feel comfortable. Of course. I'll stay until you feel comfortable.
Will you pick me up after school? Will you pick me up after school?
Yes. I'll be waiting right here for you. Yes. I'll be waiting right here for you.
What if I miss you during lunch? What if I miss you during lunch?
Think of me, and I'll be thinking of you too. Think of me, and I'll be thinking of you too.
Can I call you if I'm sad? Can I call you if I'm sad?
The teacher can help you call me anytime. The teacher can help you call me anytime.
You promise you'll come get me? You promise you'll come get me?
I promise. You're my precious boy. I promise. You're my precious boy.
Okay, I'll try to be brave. Okay, I'll try to be brave.
Let's plant some flowers in our garden. Let's plant some flowers in our garden.
Can I help you dig the holes? Can I help you dig the holes?
Yes. Here's a small shovel just for you. Yes. Here's a small shovel just for you.
This is so much fun. This is so much fun.
What flowers do you want to plant? What flowers do you want to plant?
I like the red and yellow ones. I like the red and yellow ones.
Those are called tulips. They're beautiful. Those are called tulips. They're beautiful.
When will they grow big? When will they grow big?
In a few weeks, if we take good care of them. In a few weeks, if we take good care of them.
How do we take care of them? How do we take care of them?
We water them every day and give them sunshine. We water them every day and give them sunshine.
Can I water them with the hose? Can I water them with the hose?
Sure. But don't use too much water. Sure. But don't use too much water.
I'll be very careful. I'll be very careful.
Good. Now let's put the seeds in the ground. Good. Now let's put the seeds in the ground.
They're so tiny. They're so tiny.
Yes, but they'll grow into big, beautiful flowers. Yes, but they'll grow into big, beautiful flowers.
Will we have the prettiest garden? Will we have the prettiest garden?
I think so, especially with your help. I think so, especially with your help.
I love gardening with you, Mommy. I love gardening with you, Mommy.
I love it too. We make a great team. I love it too. We make a great team.
Can we plant vegetables next time? Can we plant vegetables next time?